Are you struggling to finish your syllabus on time? It's a common challenge faced by students worldwide, managing time effectively to cover an entire syllabus. The key here is not just hard work, but smart work. It's about structuring your approach, breaking down that overwhelming mountain into manageable pieces. It's a struggle, yes, but one that can be conquered with the right tools and methods. But worry not. Here are some steps you can take to conquer this problem efficiently. First, analyze your syllabus. This is the cornerstone of your academic journey, the blueprint to your success. It's not just a list of topics, it's a roadmap guiding you through the terrain of your course. So, how do you make sense of it all? Start by breaking it down into chunks, smaller, manageable parts that don't seem as overwhelming. Look for the themes, the big ideas, the golden threads that run through the course. These will be your anchors, giving you a sense of direction. Next, prioritize. Not all topics are created equal. Some will be more challenging, requiring more time and effort. Others will be more important, carrying more weight in terms of your final grade. Highlight these, earmark them for extra attention. Remember, understanding your syllabus is about more than just knowing what you're going to study. It's about knowing how to study it. Once you've analyzed your syllabus, it's time to plan. Next, plan your study schedule. It's time to put pen to paper. Start by laying out your available hours, factoring in your regular commitments like school, work, or other activities. Now, allocate specific time slots for each subject. Be realistic and flexible. If you're not a morning person, don't schedule your hardest subjects for the crack of dawn. Here's an essential tip. Don't forget to schedule regular breaks. Studies show that taking a short break every hour increases productivity and retention. This isn't about cramming as much as possible. It's about efficient and effective learning. And remember, maintaining a healthy study-life balance is of utmost importance. Make room for relaxation, hobbies, and social activities. Your brain needs time to recharge and absorb information, and you need time to enjoy life. So get creative with your schedule. Make it visually appealing if you want. It should excite you, not intimidate you. With a well-planned schedule, you're ready to start studying. Now, execute your plan. It's time to put your well-crafted study schedule into action. Sticking to your schedule might seem daunting at first, but with a few strategic moves, you can make it work. First off, you need to stay motivated. Remember the goals you've set for yourself and let them drive you forward. Now let's talk about focus. It's easy to get distracted, but certain study techniques can help you stay on track. The Pomodoro technique, for instance, involves studying for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. This allows your brain to absorb information while also giving it much-needed rest. Flashcards, on the other hand, are a tried-and-true method of reinforcing what you've learned. If you find yourself straying from your schedule, don't panic. Take a deep breath, remind yourself of your goals, and get back on track. You've got this. Remember, consistency is key. So, to recap, we've journeyed through a process that can transform the way you tackle your syllabus. It's not about cramming or burning the midnight oil. It's about strategy and balance, a combination of awareness, planning, and execution. Firstly, we discussed the importance of analyzing your syllabus. Understanding the breadth and depth of your syllabus is your first step towards efficient studying. It's about knowing what is expected of you, the topics you'll encounter, and the weight each carries in your final grade. This knowledge is your roadmap, guiding you through your educational journey. Our second step was about planning your study schedule. It's not just about allocating time, but about optimizing it. Prioritize your subjects based on their complexity and your comfort level. Remember, a well-structured plan is your best defense against procrastination and last-minute stress. Finally, we stress the importance of executing your plan. A plan is only as good as its execution. Consistency is key here. Stick to your schedule, but also be flexible enough to adjust when needed. Remember, it's not a race, it's a marathon. And let's not forget the importance of maintaining a healthy study-life balance. All work and no play makes for a dull student. Make time for rest, relaxation, and recreation. They're not distractions. They're essential elements of a successful study plan. With these steps, you can conquer your syllabus efficiently and without frustration. Good luck!